Babylon system is a vampire, deceiving the people day by day, building church and university. Now, when we check the school now, the school don't teach the people of them natural history and them original where mankind come from. Them will tell about the history of America, the history of Jamaica. What about the history of the people from the beginning? I try to tell you that people come from monkey. How come monkey don't change no more? You know what I mean? This is things that I deal with, that the people is God creation. And I find that people are simple because you educate someone and you send them out and, you know what I mean, them becomes like just educated. Yeah, you know, it's very, very tricky. You have to be yourself.